Hi everyone, welcome to Chinese Voyage. So in this lesson, we will learn the three initials and together with two special initials. I will explain why they are special later. 几、几啊、扎、扎、几、几这、这、几、几一、鸡、鸡、几、几乌、猪、猪、渣、这、鸡、猪、起、起啊、叉、叉、起、起车、车、起、起一、七、七、起、起乌、粗、粗、叉、车、七、粗、细、细啊、三、三、细、细色、色、十一、四、四、十、十五、苏、苏、三、四、四、苏。So for the last two initials in Chinese Pinyin, they are pronounced as Y and W in the English letters. And they are the special initials. What makes them so special? For this one, in Chinese Pinyin, this initial pronounced as E. So have you noticed the pronunciation for this initial is the same as the vowel of E? So for the pinyin of E, we will write in this format. So once again, E, 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 Ye, Ye, E, E, Ü, Ü. So for the pinyin of Ü, we will write in this format. And as the same before, actually the initial E will never be combined with the vowel U. So when you say a pinyin like this, we should pronounce it as Ü, Ü, Ya, Ye, I, Ü. Last one, it's also the special initials. It pronounced as U in Chinese Pinyin. In Chinese Pinyin, it pronounced as U. So the pronunciation is the same as the vowels. U. For the pinyin of U, we will write into this format. U, U, A, Wa, Wa, U, U, O, Wo, Wo. wa, wo, wu. Here you will see some pinyin units together with the tone marks. Each of them form a vocabulary. So let's practice the pronunciations with me. 杂志，杂志，自己，自己，祖母，祖母，租车，租车，摩擦，摩擦，册子，册子，粗鲁，粗鲁，一次，一次，如此，如此，绿色，绿色，四个，四个，住宿，住宿，牙齿，牙齿，椰子，椰子，衣服，衣服，浴室，浴室，娃娃，娃娃，我，我，大舞，大舞。So in order to let you get familiar with the Pinyin writings and the pronunciations, I prepare Pinyin worksheets for you guys as exercises. So the download link is ready at the descriptions below. You can also find it in the curriculum of Pinyin course at our site. Please make sure you practice it and come back to move on to the next lessons when you are ready. For more courses you can explore in the Chinese Voyage and keep your momentum, please check out the links in the descriptions below. We have drawn a very clear and steady learning path for you. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you!